Fellow FBLA PBL members and advisors, we have all seen the news and the photographs. Schools, homes, and entire communities have been impacted by severe weather, flooding, and tornadoes through the Midwestern and Southern United States. The death toll has climbed to more than 300 victims. This has truly limited chapters' abilities to fundraise and attend the National Leadership Conference in Orlando, Florida. Both FBLA PBL national officer teams are asking for your help and asking you to show your camaraderie, your patriotism, and your generosity by donating to the Disaster Relief Fund. Chapters and individual members are encouraged to donate. Remember, no amount is too little because each and every penny will go towards making chapters' dreams of attending the NLC possible. Let's unite as one strong FBLA PBL family and become the beacon of light for these individuals and these chapters. Donate today, and for more information, visit our website at www.fbla-pbl.org and click on the disaster relief icon. Thank you, FBLA PBL. Continue breaking barriers.